I just finished replacing this 8-pin octo socket in a Johnson Viking II. It's for one of the 5R4 high voltage rectifiers. Here is the one that was removed. And if you look to the terminal on the upper right, you'll see it's been arcing from that little rivet to the chassis. Let me show you why that happens. To the right is a socket that I just replaced, and you'll see there's an insulative gasket around the top side of that one as compared to the one on the left. You can see that those rivets are very close to the edge of the aluminum, so if any contamination gets in there, they like to arc over the chassis. So the objective is put some more spacing between that chassis and those rivets. To solve the problem, I make these little spacers out of phenolic. You can do the same thing with a thin sheet of Teflon or nylon. You simply take out the hardware, slide this in between the socket and the chassis, problem solved. Once you remove the hardware from the socket, you take your spacer, you slide it in between, and put your hardware back in. Here's both sockets with the insulators installed. No more worries of arcing pins. The same fix will work on Heathkit transmitters, such as the Apache and the DX100.